Westermans here with a load which just arrived, which is a Morgan Rushworth CNC Plasma. There's actually more beds than that. There's actually another 2 beds. The machine has actually got a Hypertherm HPR 260 on it. There's the actual rail length. Machine has actually been removed from site this week and will either be sold as is or serviced to order with warranty, or as we now say, sold as seen. Additional cutting beds are actually there, and I'll just walk through the shop and you'll see the plasma power source. As we're walking through the shop, a quick rundown: MIGs, TIGs, big power sources, diesel welders, diesel generators, new and used welding positioners, seam welders, compressors, column and booms, MIG, TIG, Fronius, Kempe, Lorch, Lincoln and many others. Kempe as well there. Fronius orbital MIG welding tractors, Plymouth vent extraction arms, another plasma CNC by Spree. There's Miko the dog sitting there. Some of the older cantilever Falcons and Kestrels, still good machines. We have the Gulco tractors, seam welders, idler rolls, again various welding equipment, all in stock, all serviced to order, or in some cases sold as is. New CNC Plasma machine by ProArc, bending rolls, steel workers, X and Y's machines, fume extraction, saws, again more fume extraction, longitudinal seam welders, both circumferential and circ seam welders, and last but not least the plasma, which is actually fitted to the Morgan. More details can be available online of machines you can see on the walkthrough by looking at westermans.com for more details. Thank you for looking.